Hello and welcome back. So this is the third video in this second chapter. In the last video we looked at types of sequence. We are still considering, we are still in this series of types of sequence, or this chapter that is on types of sequence. So in the last video we looked at a couple of examples, okay, as regard to types of sequence. So what I'm doing in this video is to give you some more examples as regards to the types of sequence, so that it will better solidify the concept. Okay, so we just look at some examples and then solve them. So we have, they say we should find the sum of the second and seventh terms of the following sequence. So we need to get the second term of each of them, get the seventh term, and then sum them up. That's what they're asking us to do. Okay, so we'll solve all these three. So the first case is we are given this sequence 3n minus 2n squared. We are asked to find the sum of the second and the seventh term. So as usual, what we are meant to do is more like we treat them as though they are functions. That means we need to substitute. In place of n, we put the second. For the second term, in place of n, we put 2. So if I put 2 here, what I'll get is this. Put 2 here, you're going to get this. If you simplify this, you guys know you're going to get 6. Simplify this will give us a 4. 4 times this will give us 8. So we have this as the result. And since here is 6 and here is 8, so 6 minus 8 gives us minus 2. So for the seventh term, this is what we have. This will give us 21. And this will give us, this is 7 squared is 49. 49 times 2 will give us minus 54 in this case. So 21 minus 54 will give us minus 33. So now we have the second term. We have what was it called, the seventh term. So all we need to do is to add these guys up. So the sum is going to be second term plus seventh term, which is minus 2 minus plus minus 33, and that becomes minus 35 as the result. Okay, so that's with summing the second and seventh term of this sequence. So let's see another example. This is the other one they gave to us. Now take note of the difference between these two in terms of notation. Here I'm using t sub n, while in this case I'm using a sub n. Okay, I'm using different notation just to show you guys that it is not confined to one particular notation. You can use different notations actually, and they will all work out fine. So in this case, we want to do the same thing. Find the sum of the second and the seventh term. So for the second term, anywhere we see n, we put 2. If we do that, this is going to give us 2 over 3, because 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so 2 raised to the power of 1 will give us 2. That becomes 2 over 3. For the seventh term, here we have 7. Put 7 here. 7 minus 1 will give us 6. And 2 raised to the power of 3, I think that will give us 64. So this part here is meant to be 64. So when you divide 64 by 8, your result becomes 8. Okay, so now we just have to sum the second term and the seventh term, and that will be 8 plus 2 over 3. Okay, so 8 plus 2 over 3. Take the LCM. If I take the LCM, this is going to be 2. Sorry, wipe that. The LCM is 3. So 3 going into this will give us 1. 1 times this remains 2. 3 into, here we have divide by 1. 3 into 1 will give us 3. 3 times this will give us 24. So 24 plus 2 will give us 26 over 3. So that's how I got this result, 26 over 3. Okay, so the last example, we have this. So this time around, we go ahead and substitute 2. When you substitute to simplify this, you're going to get 4. So 4 times 3 will give us 12. Minus 1 raised to the power of 2 will give us minus 1, since the power is even. So whenever you raise a negative number to an even power, your result always becomes positive. So this will give us 1. So that will become 12 plus 3, and 12 plus 3 becomes 15. So go ahead and do the one for 7. When you do for 7, this is going to give us 49. This is 49. So 49 times 3 will give us 147. Then minus 1 raised to the power of 7. Since this time around the power is odd, minus 1 raised to the power of 7 will give us minus 1. So minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. 147 minus 3 will give us 144. So now if we add these guys up, 15 plus 144, our result becomes 159. Okay, so that's an example, or these are examples based on what we did the last time. So just go ahead and go through it very well, try to solve some other questions, understand the concept very well. So that's why we are going to end this video. In the next video, we are going to be looking at different kinds, special kinds from the next video, special kind of sequence. We are going to start with the arithmetic, also called the linear sequence. That's what we are going to start with in the next video. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.